Hey everyone, imagine you're driving smoothly but suddenly your transmission starts acting up, delayed shifting, slipping gears, or even stuck in one gear. You pull out your OBD-II scanner and code P0994 appears. This code points to an issue with the shift solenoid J control circuit low, which can lead to serious transmission problems. In this video, I'll explain what P0994 means, where the key sensors are located, and how you can fix it. Let's get started. What is DTC P0994? DTC P0994 stands for Shift Solenoid J Control Circuit Low. Your car's transmission control module, TCM, controls shift solenoids, which regulate hydraulic pressure to shift gears smoothly. When the circuit voltage is too low, the solenoid might not function properly, leading to hard shifting, delayed response, or transmission failure. Symptoms of P0994. If your car has this code, you may notice erratic or harsh shifting, gear slipping or hesitation, transmission stuck in limp mode. Check engine light or transmission. Warning light, reduced fuel efficiency, sensor and component locations. Very important. To diagnose and fix P0994, locate these key components. Shift solenoid J location. Inside the transmission valve body, beneath the transmission fluid pan. Function: controls hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifting. Transmission control module, TCM, location: found under the dashboard near the battery or mounted on the transmission case. Function: sends signals to the shift solenoids to manage gear changes. Transmission fluid pressure sensor location: mounted on the side of the transmission case, near hydraulic lines. Function: monitors hydraulic pressure for proper gear operation. Shift solenoid wiring and connectors location: runs between the TCM and shift solenoids inside the transmission. Function: carries electrical signals for solenoid operation. What causes P0994? Common causes include: 1. Faulty shift solenoid J, not responding due to low voltage. 2. Damaged wiring or connectors, frayed, corroded, or disconnected wires in the solenoid circuit. 3. Defective transmission control module, TCM, sending incorrect voltage to the solenoid. 4. Low or dirty transmission fluid, reducing hydraulic pressure. 5. Bad transmission fluid pressure sensor, sending incorrect readings. How to fix P0994? Follow these steps. Step 1. Check transmission fluid. Make sure it's clean and at the correct level. Contaminated fluid can affect solenoid function. Step 2. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for broken, frayed, or corroded wires in the solenoid circuit. Step 3. Test shift solenoid J. Remove the transmission pan to access the solenoid. Use a multimeter to check resistance, should be between 3–10 ohms. Replace the solenoid if readings are out of range. Step 4. Check the TCM, transmission control module. Step 5. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to clear P0994. Drive for 10–15 miles to ensure the issue is fixed.